Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a C by GE Cync Outdoor Smart plug and you need to do a hard reset on the plug or plugs. You might need to do this if you're having any issues with the plugs not syncing or not connecting or not responding to the app or the instructions given by the app, or any kind of troubleshooting issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now these plugs reset just like the indoor ones, except for they're double plugs, as you can see, and each plug is reset separately. So all you need to do is on either of the plugs that you want to reset, you're just going to come and press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds. And you'll know that it has reset because the light right next to the button will turn red. Once that light turns red, you can go ahead and let go. The plug has been reset, and then you can repair it, reset it, and everything like that. And you can do each plug on this outdoor plug separately. So anyways, as simple as that. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.